For years, I lay in a cold, dark prison. Me and my family, isolated from one another by impenetrable walls. Their distant cries. Little Fender, Uncle Hagstrom, my wife, Faith. Oh, their cries got louder the more they descended into solitude-induced psychosis. And I, helpless to save them. And if that wasn't torture enough, my captor would play with me whenever he felt the urge to abuse. This sadist took pleasure in my screams, giving me false hope that one day I'd be free. Then, like the exploited instrument I was, he discarded me into darkness once more. I almost lost all hope. When a new day dawned, our liberator, she threw off our shackles. She raised us from our prisons and assembled us so we could reunite as a family once more.